prepare Goan green chicken curry, I'll be using 1 kg of chicken, 1 bunch of coriander, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 inch of ginger, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, a small pot of tamarind, a half inch of cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, white vinegar, onion, tomato, lemon and potato, because I'll be using potatoes in the curry, and salt to taste. Marinated chicken, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 whole lemon, salt to taste. Let's mix all this well together and marinate it and leave it aside for 30 minutes. So guys, as I've said before, now this is the whole spices we'll be grinding to a very fine paste. So excluding to this, only just the vinegar we'll not be using when we are grinding it, we'll be using it later on. But rest everything, we are going to make it into a fine paste now. So friends, as you see this one, I am roasting this onion on a fire. We're going to add this onion to the mixture that we're going to blend all those masalas together. This will enhance a very good flavor, a very good smoky flavor out of the masala. This is my secret thing that I do. So yes, you know, I always have one of the secret things I always share with you. So this is very nice. Do try and you'll get to know the difference about it. So friends, this is the paste that I've already made, and this is how it's going to be, like very smooth, nice, and the smell is really fantastic. To prepare the curry, now let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. Use 1 whole onion, finely chopped. Saute this little bit until little bit brown. Add 1 finely chopped tomato. Saute well until very soft. The onion tomatoes are already done. Let's add the masala that we have prepared now. Now let's add the masala. Let's mix this together and just cook it for 2 minutes. Now let's add water. You can use water accordingly. If you want to have a thick gravy or very light, I will have a medium one. So this is good for me. I'm using about 1.5 cup of water. Use 1 tablespoon of vinegar, salt as required, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using 3 potatoes cut into small cubes. You can use as much as you like to. I've used potato before chicken because potato takes longer to cook. Once the potatoes are 50% cooked, then I'll be adding chicken to this. The potatoes are almost 50% cooked. Now I'm going to add the chicken to this. Cook the chicken for another 20 minutes on a medium flame. Now let's cover the lid and let it get cooked. The dish is ready. The chicken is completely well cooked. So do as the potatoes as well. We've got a very nice texture of the color, as you see. Let's serve this in a plate and let's see how it tastes.